This is affecting every socioeconomic status, race, ethnicity, gender, age group in our community, including very young individuals. We see college students that may borrow a medication from a friend that may help them study longer during finals, and that one decision could end their life. Ideally, we would think of this just like bystander CPR or an automated external defibrillator. This is an easy-to-use, safe, life-saving medication. First, you want to try to identify an opioid overdose, and there are really three major signs or symptoms: a change in the breathing pattern or no breathing at all, a change in the level of responsiveness, and we usually use pain stimulus, so like a pinch or pressing on the nail bed really hard, and the third one is pinpoint pupils. And so if you see an individual down and they have any or all of those three signs or symptoms, you cannot harm them with Narcan. You can only help them. And basically you just open the package, grab it like this, insert it into the nostril and squeeze up on the red plunger. And in 2 to 3 minutes, that medicine crosses up into the brain and knocks that opioid off the receptor that is causing that person to not breathe properly and allows them to start breathing again. It's really a miracle when you see it work.